Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is calling out Ashanti. He's calling out Miss D, and she's calling out others. She's saying that Ashanti is lying and saying that he did not hear the tapes before, but she's saying that the Western Union tapes have been out for a while, and it's not no that it's been out, and basically she's saying that people are lying about it, so allegedly they are lying. So go ahead and watch the video and see, what Maxine has to say, and why she's saying that this tape has been out for a while. And remember to like while you're there, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you know what to do. Have yourself a wonderful day.
You will take the red shirt and the make Dana make you lie and wicked and bad, so. Dana, why you wicked and lie and bad, so? Cause you they do like say, you just that hear the Queen Bee story. Or you just that hear the lady in the whoever, whatever. And you just that hear the Western Union story. Dana, you know the Western Union story from the day the Western Union story come out. Dana, you put the Western Union story out and say Western Union call you. And then Laurie and them run it. Because everything Laurie and them ask you to do, you do it. Everything they ask you to do, you do it. Dana, you know just that you're the Western Union. Hi Barbisha darling, how you do? Dana, don't pretend like you just hear the Western Union story, because you're not just hearing. You've been hearing the Western Union story. You know the Western Union story. You know all of the story them. But wait, Ashanti, come here. Make your wicked so Ashanti. Ashanti, me hear yourself on your live yesterday say, you just hear them a recording you. Ashanti, shut the fuck up. What is wrong with you? You start smoke again? Ashanti, you start smoke again? Ashanti, tell Dana who tell you the story them about the house them at Florida, and the 5 business what she have at Florida, and the 5 business them under the same roof. Ashanti, tell Dana who come up with all of them. There's something there that you couldn't run them on your platform. But Ashanti, you're wicked as fuck, you know. You know you're wicked, Ashanti. Ashanti is one wicked ras boy, you know. You know you're wicked. Ashanti, you remember when me and you and Jennifer and everybody when they on the platform there? Why don't they beat Jennifer right now? Me no business with Jennifer still, you know. But why don't they beat Jennifer? No, the whole of when they on the same platform. No, all of we when they on the same platform, they rule. All of what Jennifer they chat now. Ashanti, you know, come out, come cuss Dana with it. You know, cuss out Dana Ras. So how you and 13 to sit down, they do like you no want nobody make peace with nobody and stuff like that. Tell me now, how you and 13 is going to sit down and pretend right now, Uno, when Kossar with the same. Barbisha, listen to me, Barbisha. I don't know if you ain't know from in them the time there. All of the story them know what they come out on tape. And no news. It's not news. Dana know about all of them. Every time Lorraine come out and say something, Dana address it. When the Western Union something come out, Dana did address it. When they call in a Western Union and this and that, she did address it. So what me gonna do make it look like I say a fresh news right now? It's not fresh news. This Ashanti, if Dana can forgive you and nasty bottom 13 for all of what Uno say and do to her, who is Uno for jumping at the middle of she and Jennifer? Who? Who is Uno? 13, that's why then dash you under the bus. Hold on, let me hear one. That's why then dash you under the bus. That's why then dash you right under the bus. So Lady Max, are you saying 99 knew about all this? Of course she know! Laugh at me. Not only does she know, this is not no secret where nobody send her voice message and voice this. A public record. How you think they have something to play? How you think they have something to play? I know nobody call nobody and tell them in a voice note or voice this and voice that. Any voice note that they make it. I know voice note. A big dirty live. Laugh at me. A big live that take place. You see the Western Union thing take place on Lawrence platform. When them say people send people a Western Union, fig call Pandana and Sinting. It come out, it was there on the live. It's not a voice recorder or a voice note or something like that. A big public Sinting. All done they got like a she frightened and they clutch her pearl and they, oh my god, I didn't hear this. You're too fucking lie. You too lie. You hear every fucking bit of it. Every bit, and I can prove that you know everything that happened. Everything. So now come out, come do like you think say nobody depend you have Alzheimer's. Nobody no depend you have Alzheimer's. All of them are Tory laugh at me. Ashanti take it cost down a long time. Long time. This is no news. Where everybody they clutch them pearl and they run up and down like a chicken without head in a social media. No way. I want hawk and pit for the whole of uno. Uno go away. And then with her big face, they gonna like I say, oh my god, I didn't know this. Oh my god, I did not hear this. Dana, you want grown and kiss the whole of them ass. And then apologize to you and they grown and apologize to you. Take it as it is and move the fuck on. Move on. You run and call 13. Oh God, 13 was so crying. She was so crying. How much time you go and follow Stacey Campbell? How much time you go and follow 13? How much time you go and follow the whole social media? I mean, no, say they ain't go come after Jennifer. Good afternoon, my darling Rebecca. Good afternoon. Anytime you want people to go after people, whether in a good or bad, you come out, come mention their name. This same minute you mention Jennifer name, you know, me say, Jesus Christ, look how they kill Jennifer now. Because everybody wants to be Donna for what reason, I don't know. I don't know why everybody wants to be Donna. We know this thing go happen. Me say, look here, Barbisha, Donna no want 13 rub out her bumbo like how she rub out here already. You hear what me I tell you say? And for 13 and Ashanti go talk about say, oh we go forgive Jennifer and Tira not Ashanti. I am asking you please come out and tell everybody because you cuss Donna Ross about the same Western Union and everything already. So don't pretend like you just hear the fucking news. Do not pretend like you hear the fucking news. When I was on your platform, me, Jennifer, and everybody, because if it wasn't for me, a lot of who know certain things, I will not say. I'm waiting for you, Ashanti, to come out and tell the people them. Come out, come tell the people them who tell you about the Florida situation and the house of Florida and the bakery them where they in the one roof. Yes, because you know, the same night when the discussion they make, me who know the address, know the place, tell you say me the drive go up there and have a live and who no see them one tell me don't have the live, just take pictures. Don't come out here come pretend like you don't know. Tell the people them who tell you about the bakery and the house and stuff like that. When you go and come out, come laugh. You remember how you always pick up Jennifer? Jennifer Baran, Ashanti, you really want memory road to go down for you? Ashanti. Dana, number one, you know, even apologize to Dana. So make Dana move her ass and talk about you apologize. You didn't apologize. You just say, let's forget about the past and fucking move on. You did not apologize to her until today. So shut the fuck up and let peace reign in a social media, if it reign in a social media. Where you and 13 don't come from now, if you can talk, say, Dana not to forgive. Really, Ashanti until today, up to yesterday, I heard Dana said, you are the worst in social media, and if she can forgive you, she can forgive anybody. Shut the fuck up, you are nasty 13 with your dirty nasty mouth. I want to take something and dash in on your face, you see. I want to dash something in on your dirty nasty face. Look on 13, too. Look on 13. With all in lied fabricated for them. Look on 13. Ashanti. There's a lot of tape that need to play with whoever you the bash and laugh about right now. Remember, they are the same ones who bring you the same story. Remember, you, Lorraine, and everybody we all were on the same camp. We all sit down and listen to the people them can fake news come give you. Has to what you say, winky winky. Has to what you say. Nobody really care no fake news come give you where you go dig them down. Whatever news anybody on the platform, everybody was on the platform. So if your past with Dana can be the past, why can't nobody else in social media be the past just the same way? And who is Dana? Dana is God? Who the fuck is Dana? Who go see God? Who the fuck is Dana?